This fill mixes subdivisions. It sounds cool, doesn't it? What we've got here is 16th notes on the snare drum and then triplets round the toms. So let's back that up for a minute. Like I said, this is called mixing subdivisions. In fact, when you're playing drums, you're probably doing it all the time without knowing it, but this is a specifically cool way of doing it, especially in drum fills. So, subdivisions, they are basically how we choose to break up notes. So if you take one single quarter note, for example, you can also split that into 2 eighth notes or 4 16th notes. But that also includes triplets, and this is where it gets interesting, because basically you're taking a note and instead of breaking it into fractions of 2 or 4, you're breaking it into 3s. And that is why this fill is cool, because what you're doing is you're mixing these two options of subdivisions, divisions of 2 and divisions of 3. 1E and a triplet, 1E and a triplet. And it's that swapping between the feel of subdivisions which makes a fill sound interesting. So for this fill specifically, you're going 1 and a triplet. And for the triplet section, we'll break it into 2 3s. So we go right, left, right, snare, high, floor, right, left, right, and then the last 3, left, right, left on the floor tom. With mixing subdivisions, the possibilities are endless. I can't emphasize that enough. And I haven't even talked about the weirder subdivisions like 5s, 7s. It's pretty tricky, so maybe I'll talk about that at a later date. But they are also very fun. I hope you have much fun subdividing.